Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel and let's get right into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you, and today is a little different. I wanted to do something like budget friendly, and not only that, before Friday, I know on Friday at midnight they will be shutting down everything in the state of Florida. Well, not shutting down, but you can only go out for essential items. So I was like, let me put this video up so that way my girls can go out and buy their nail stuff before they get shut down. So this video is super cheap, super easy. I spend only about, I would say, less than $10. These nail tips are from the Dollar Tree. They are $1 a pack, and they bring, I think, about 120. This nail kit that I used in this video, I get it from the Dollar Tree. Well, not the Dollar Tree, the Family Dollar, and it comes out to like $5.50 or $6.50. So we're already at like $6.50 for everything. And then the 2 nail polishes were $1 each, and those were from the Dollar Tree. And then the nail polish top coat was another $1 from the Dollar Tree. My striping brush, you can just use a toothpick. You can also use string. There's a lot of different things that you can use. You can also just use the brush if that's something that you just want to do. Is from MAKARRT, but you can get striping nail polishes from the Dollar Tree also, and just use the color that you want just with the brush. Clear it up with some acetone and you should be good to go. These nail scissors I did get from Amazon, but you can just use regular scissors. You don't need fancy scissors to cut your nails. But other than that, super cheap, super easy, super affordable. If you guys know, I love Kiss nail kits. I have like 100 of these kits. They are what I like to use for my budget friendly nail videos. I have done nail hacks, like nail hacks with cornstarch and things like that, but I feel like if you have the extra money to spend $5 on a nail kit, I know you can't find this everywhere in the United States and even outside of the United States, but this is the best way to do it if you're going to go the cheap route of doing nails. It is very budget friendly. That's what I love, because listen, I remember being in the nail game in the beginning and it was very expensive. It may not be now for me because of course I'm always testing out products and stuff that are sent to me, and I'm always trying to send you guys products that are sent to you guys, that are sent to me to you guys. So I know how expensive it can be. So that's why I like to do these budget friendly nail videos. But other than that, I don't have much to say. I'm just going to leave this right here because I want you guys to enjoy the video without me talking and being annoying and things like that. I hope you guys are all staying safe. I can't wait till this is all over so I can start taking clients again and just doing their nails and enjoying doing their nails and things like that. But other than that, I don't have much to say. I, just want for you guys to enjoy my videos while you guys are in the house. And I'm trying to put up a lot of content, but it's just, I'm bored, you guys. I've been in the house. I don't go anywhere. So it is very boring being quarantined, but I do want my family to be safe, and you have to protect yourself from other people, and you also want to protect other people from yourself. If maybe you may have it and things like that, you just don't know. It takes 14 days to know if you have it, so just stay safe and things like that. Yeah, I'm just trying to not be bored and come out with videos that I like and that I want to do. I don't want to just put up content because I'm just bored and have nothing to do and things like that. So if you have recommendations of something that you guys want to see and you want me to do for you, please let me know in the description box. If you like these budget friendly nails, in the description box, in the comment section down below. If you have any suggestions on budget friendly nails and what I should try as nail hacks and things like that, definitely let me know. Being that we are going to be quarantined, I think for another 30 days or something like that in the state of Florida. Yeah, just let me know some videos and things like that I can do for you guys. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there that I'm just you know, everybody goes through their own little things, and I was just, I don't know, I'm just bored, I guess, as you guys can say. So I'm gonna try and upload every day or every other day on here for the month of April, because I know it's 30 days more and it's a long time, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you stay safe. Definitely check out the description box for any giveaways that I have going on my channel. Also check out Instagram, because I have some giveaways going on there. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. And also at the end of the video, you're gonna see that I switched out the nail polish from purple to pink. I just didn't like the purple, so I ended up doing the pink. But if you would like to see me do this same set with the purple, definitely let me know. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each time that I upload, and give this video a nice big thumbs up so I know that you enjoyed it. And head over to my Instagram and hit that follow button if you are not following me already. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.